Do you want to build a really sturdy structure? Use our tip. Glue and nails are the secret to sturdiness, and this is just one trick. A cut at an angle in the nozzle will help squeeze the glue perfectly even. Securely fasten the hinges on any doors. Ordinary matches. Watch carefully and remember. As you can see, it works. But what to do if the screw head is too small? You will no longer use this as a key. The wire in the wall will help hold this. By the way, cable ties can also be a great fastener. Tighten them with a nail, as you can see. You can easily replace the wire where necessary. How about some hot tea? Sounds like a good time to make a little pause. Too bad I don't have a kettle handy to warm the water. However, there is a way to make it yourself. All you need is a couple of razor blades, wooden sticks, and wires. It's time to get back to business. A little trick will help you put a screw into any metal, even the toughest. Not enough cable ties? Just put a few together. Trust me, this will definitely work. There you go. I told you, if anything, it's as easy to remove the cable ties as it is to secure them. Let's use some fire. Oops, the lighter doesn't work. Don't panic. I have a plan B. We just need some foil, tape it up and bring it to a piece of absorbent cotton. Discharge. Moments like this make you feel like a real Prometheus. But it seems like it's time to come down to earth and do something really useful, like making a clothes rack. Because that's where not only the theater begins, but any decent home. In general, I think in everyday life would definitely come in handy. We take the wood, preferably hardwood. We remove the splinters from the surface. Great! Now you can cut it into small bars. We will number each one, and that should make 10 pieces. And we cut the even numbered ones along the edges at an angle. Let's take a preliminary look at what we have. It's not bad at all. Now let's make holes in strictly marked place. For this is important to make a marking. A little more sanding and sanding again. Trust me, it's never in vain. We take varnish and coat each piece on all sides. We leave it to dry. And in the meantime, we take a metal pin, sand it, yes, again, and start assembling our design. That's it, piece by piece, string on the base. At the back, we fix the two slats. Be careful, the screws do not have to be screwed into all the bars, every other bar. We cut all the excess and fix it to the wall. It's very convenient. And finally, a tip for those who constantly forget to water the plants. We take an empty plastic bottle, we use a soldering iron, we make holes in the lid and in the bottom. Next, we need half of an ordinary cotton swab. We put it in the lid and twist it. And we attach a few long wooden skewers with duct tape. It's good to make sure that it's firmly attached. Done! Just pour the water and set it directly into the flower pot.